Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zahir Hussain and I create videos on Microsoft Excel. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet for more videos. So let's get started. This video is for those who wanted to hide and unhide worksheets with a single click. To achieve this, we will use macro. First, I will brief about what is macro. If you have tasks in Microsoft Excel that you do repeatedly, you can record a macro to automate those tasks. A macro is an action or a set of actions that you can run as many times as you want. When you create a macro, you are recording your mouse clicks and keystrokes. So let's create a macro to hide the sheets starting from January to December. Please follow steps with me. Click on View and here you will find macros. Click. If you have already recorded macros, you can view from View Macros, and if you want to record a new, click on Record Macro. You will see dialog box. Here you can name a macro. Let's say hide, and in description to hide worksheets. You can also create a shortcut key, okay, if you want, but I will not create. And if you use, for example, Control Z, so the existing Control Z shortcut will be disabled in that case. So I prefer not to create any shortcut. If you want, you can create. Then hit OK. So now I'm gonna record my actions. The actions will be recorded in macro. What I have to do is to select the sheets which I need to hide. Click on January. You need to press Shift and click on December. Now all the sheets are selected starting from January to December. Right click anywhere on the sheets and hide. All sheets are hidden now. So let's stop the macro. We have recorded our first macro. So how we will use this? I will show you. We will create buttons. Take any shape. Let's say I will choose this one. And I will format. You can double click to write. I will adjust the font. And align it into the center. Let's make it black. Okay, what you need to do is to assign a recorded macro to this shape. Right click on the shape, assign macro. In this list, you will find all created or recorded macros. So until now we have created only one, which is hide. Click on hide, click OK. Click anywhere except this. Click anywhere. Now we have assigned a macro to hide. Let's record the second macro. Similarly, click on View, Record Macro. I will name it Unhide. If you want to create shortcut, you can. I will skip this. To unhide worksheets. Click OK. Now I will unhide all the sheets one by one. Click on existing sheet, unhide, and one by one I will unhide them. Unfortunately, you had to unhide all the sheets manually. Now there is no remaining sheet. Okay, we have unhide all the sheets. So we have recorded our steps. Let's stop the macro. I will take the copy of this, right click here, Control C, Control V. Okay. I will rename it. Right click to assign a macro. In this case, I will select Unhide. So far we have created two macros, one for hide and second one for unhide. So when you click on hide, all sheets are hidden. And if you click on unhide, all sheets are unhidden. So that is how you can hide and unhide worksheet with the single click.
I hope you liked today's video. If you really did, please share with your friends and click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you will get the notification of upcoming videos. I'm really looking forward for your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.